Okay, so now we're tracking what a user types or selects inside this form. Next, we want to be able to handle the form being submitted and eventually do something with this data. Now, when a button is pressed inside a form, it fires a submit event on the form itself, so we can listen for that submit event and react to it. Now, another option would be to attach a click event to the button itself and react to that instead, but I prefer to react to the submit event. So what I'm going to do is attach that by saying on submit and setting it equal to something. Now, the thing I want to set it equal to is going to be a function which I'll create up here. So I'm going to say const handle submit and set it equal to a function. In here, we take in the event object automatically, and then we can reference that right here, handle submit. All right, so inside this function, the first thing I want to do is prevent the default action of the form being submitted. Now, that default action is for the page to refresh. So if I was to click this right now, it would refresh the page. You watch this. Okay, refreshes it. I don't want that to happen. So in order to prevent that, I take this event object and use a method called prevent default on that. And then that prevents the page from being refreshing. Let me try this out. Add blog, and it doesn't refresh the page now. Okay, so next up, what I'd like to do is create a blog object. And the blog object is ultimately the thing that's going to be saved over here. So it should have a title, body, and author. Now, when we're using JSON server, we don't have to give it an ID property, because later when we make a post request, JSON server will automatically add a unique ID for us. So we don't need to create that. So I'm going to now create a new object called blog and set it equal to an object where we add in the title, which is this, and the body, and also the author, like so. So that is our blog object, and we can then log this to the console to see it. So console.log the blog. I'm going to save this and open up the console over here, and then let's try this out. Put in a load of stuff, Yoshi, add blog, and this works. We now have this object right here. So now we're reacting to this submit event. We're preventing the default action, which is the page refreshing. Next up, we want to send a post request to a particular endpoint that JSON server provides us with, so we can add this new object to our data, and we'll do that next.